What's up, bro?
Oh,
808 game. What's up, bro? Dude, it looks sick, bro.
Oh man,
I love it, man.
It's getting there, you know.
Okay.
I had to buy some cheap headlights because my other stock one, the house was
Good.
broke.
I didn't know you're into cars.
I am. This is my first car, actually.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I'm cursed, bro.
I take every precaution.
Ah, dude, yeah. Dang, it's clean, bro. I like this.
Yes, you know, it's coming along. It's mainly a fleet stock, but I just been trying to keep up with the preventative maintenance.
Yeah.
So
Keep it like OE, bro. Like
yeah,
vegan style.
seriously.
I love this. I love this wheels, man. I can't say wheels are good.
You know, I got the wrong measurements.
What do you mean?
When I ordered the tires.
Okay.
so they came stretched, but
that's fine.
I was like,
it looks good.
It looks okay.
Yeah. It's got lower right now.
Yeah, no.
Is that my job today? Let's go. All right. Let's see what you got now. Damn, bro. Nice, man. Baller.
So.
Baller style.
You know, they have these new payment methods now. You know, a firm payment.
Yeah. So how do you want it? Like you want a 2-inch? I mean, it should be all right. We'll play around with it. You know.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that's gonna take time. 4x4 in right now, but yeah, it's gonna look sweet. So let's do this. Finish it up. All that shit that went wrong, we got it. We're getting it done. We're getting it done. No, it was the bubble wrap's fault, dude. It was so thick. Like, damn you, BC. How you gonna like wrap it so much? Like, we can't even see it, man. It's all your fault.
It was their fault for being so careful.
All your fault for being so careful. Thanks for shipping it like so nicely. Cool. We're getting it done. All right, so we go back to the other one.
Yeah.
For sure. Looking nice, man. Still 4-wheeling here. Check this up. All right, let's see about that e-brake real quick here. I want to see it. About 2 fingers. So we only done the rear. So we'll find out as soon as we can adjust that. But I can see a little camber already. So cool. Finally got it done. Still a little high, but we're gonna have to see how low it goes and adjust them from there after that. So Andrew's gonna be taking off now. All right, man. Looks good. Looks good already. I'll see you later, brother. All right, man. Peace. Hey, good morning, guys. What's up? Basically today I have a client that wants to check out my project and looking to see if he can get his stuff, his undercarriage done just like mine, on how I did. If you guys don't know, in that video, if you have not seen it yet, please go check it out. It's called The Belly. I'm pretty stoked that I have viewers, kind of inspiring them and kind of giving them an opportunity to, you know, having their build to be completed. My client is actually coming in about an hour here, so to check out the car, and he wants to get his stuff done, and that will be coming up hopefully by next month. Yeah, I hope he likes the result of the underside carriage. Anyways, thanks for checking it out, guys, and I'd like to thank my viewers too as well. Hopefully you guys have been following this channel. I really appreciate you guys. All right, peace. It's not. I learned a lot from the working at a body shop. So it's like I kind of reflect on those experiences and stuff, man.
I'm actually really happy that I'm going with you. This is really good. No, this is sick, man. The taping what got me, like, it's so clean and crisp.
Yeah. Imagine when you do yours, because yours, you bought the expensive frog ones, right? Yeah, yours should be good.
You see how it's like more, it feels thicker?
Yeah.
It's not as like hollow.
Mm-hmm.
It's like,
Yep. Yep.
Damn. Hey man, I'm very happy. Is this good?
In person is a lot different. Like,
yeah,
looks like it's stock, right? Like, I mean, like, it's better than stock.
It's like the same like kind of texture as stock.
Yeah.
Because I was looking at the OEM coating, and it's kind of like that.
I was very picky getting the liner, the dead liner, because some textures that just didn't look right to me. Yeah, but this one turned out really good, bro. I'm just stoked out.
And it's safe, right? Like on the Ford Jackson, like at my house.
Yeah.
I just like, I'm so scared.
No, one thing too, before we start, like your whole place is gonna be dirty, so we want to cover it as much as possible.
Yeah, like matter. I could get
Yeah,
tarp
you gotta
or
lay like tarp or something.
That's fine.
That will filter.
Like this.
Yes, exactly. That's what I need. It's like brand new, right? And not only that, like more in depth, you saw my work. I cleaned everything up before I even laid the product.
Are you gonna, what is it, the pinch weld that Randy was saying, like over this?
Yeah, I will. So I have to retouch those up.
That's why I wanted to see it in person and be like, get myself acquainted with
I
what we're doing.
appreciate that, man.
Like,
I appreciate it.
no, you did an awesome job, man.
Thank you, man.
Awesome
Thank you.
Awesome
Thank you. This is what I like to do, bro. I'd like to help, not just doing it on my own. It's pretty cool because I get to interact with other people.
S-chassis people, right?
S-chassis people. Not even only that, just like you can do this at any cars, and you can do it for the community, right? So
No,
it's a little example.
Your first customer.
Yeah, thanks, man. For real.
It's a good car to work on because
it is. It's plus the condition that they are now these days, right?
They need it.
Yeah, they need it.
Yeah?
Jamming, bro.
Oh, I got it.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?